There's more lightning. Yeah, lightning alert. Nah, I'm sitting here. I'm recording all the epic lightning. Look at that. Let me zoom in. I'm not. Oh. Yeah. There's a very cool. Oh wow. It's a very intense storm coming our way. Whoa. That's awesome. There's a car coming. Hello, car. Goodbye, car. There's a lot of clouds up there, but mainly focusing over here because that's where the storm's coming from. Ooh. I hope I can see it. Lightning, please. No.
Back to the land.
Yeah, I kind of want to go see the lightning. It looks epic.
Okay.
Let's go back to the land.
First I thought it was going to come right in on us, but I think it's not now.
No, the storm's in Austin. It's about to come soon. It's like an hour away from us because Austin's like an hour away. The epicness. Woo. Oh, we're about to come on the street. There's Christmas lights over there. I don't know. Oh, yep, Christmas. It's like the first week in
Further up the
November.
hill this time.
Yes. Here is the beautiful land with the lightning. Here's where it starts. Alright. Oh, what? Oh,
Somebody up there. Bikes and dogs or something.
Yeah, but do not let Jet out. I don't trust him.
I will keep him in.
No, I'm just gonna take a quick look of this extremely awesome storm. Oh, it's so bumpy. Ow.
That's why Sally likes this land. It's got a nice view.
I should have did it. Yeah. Alright, let's see that. Lightning. Come on. Come on, please. Lightning. Oh, no, I didn't see any. Oh, that's epic over there. Oh, I caught that straight on camera. Christmas lighthouse again. Did one of you guys fart? I missed that. That was epic right there. But hey, Jet, Snickers, Jet. Did one of you fart, Jet, or Snickers, or?
You want to look and take some more pictures?
Alright, well, I need to get out for that. Do not let the dogs out. No dogs out.
Good job on that. Yeah, good.
Look at that.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off. Maybe we can hear the thunder.
Ooh. Ooh, I farted this time.
Rest in the airport 70 days in.
Really, Dad? I meant Grandpa. Why are you telling them our address? Okay. There's the two tall, very tall towers. Oh! Sorry, what? What? I did not catch that. Oh. Oh, look, stars and moon, big moon, and then boom, lightning. Hold on. Oh. Oh, there we go. Look, okay, now you guys see it better. I'm trying to figure out.
Might be what they call a dry line.
Alright, there's a storm.
Out there.
And then lightning. Oh, wow. Oh!
The more it spreads down that way, the more likely we get it.
Yeah, it's currently raining in Austin. That's what the forecast is.
Oh.
I think I caught that. I wasn't looking.
Suck an air in from here. Oh. Oh, wow.
Well, now my dad.
Ah, it's pretty cool out here.
Yes, it feels like 68 degrees. Yes, it is cool. Not really. It's been hot all day.
It's 68 now.
I don't know. I'm just guessing because it feels cool out here.
We can look it up on ambient.
Yeah,
Ambient weather.
What
Tell you what it
degrees?
is right here.
What degrees is it actually? I can't do it.
Do you have that website? Wait. Oh, yeah. I look at it when I want to see how much it rains.
Whoa! Check what temperature it is too. This one though.
He saves us from having to do any weather monitoring. Just,
Oh!
wow.
Oh!
I turned my head right there.
I don't think I caught that on camera. Hey, Grandpa, do you want to be in camera? There's his back of the head and
Throwing lightning bolts. Yeah. Zeus is here.
Zeus!
Oh yeah, it literally looks like
It's Zeus!
Zeus is causing the lightning.
Zeus!
Wait, it's working.
Do it!
It doesn't right when you do it.
Yeah, that's perfect timing.
Wow. Serious electrical's going off there.
Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna come inside before it starts raining. Yeah. Hey, Stickers Jet.
Well, what do you think? Let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna go sit over by the tent for a while.
What? Okay. And probably record more lightning. Ugh! It's a mess in here.
Wow, that's a big old bolt there.
I didn't see it.
Oh, it went zap.
Maybe it's you making all of it, because, yeah. Still, I think we should go inside before it starts raining on us. I mean, it's not even coming, but I think it's coming. Yeah, it's Jet, no, I don't trust you. You're not gonna, yeah. Wait, where are we going next? Oh, cool. Wait, I need safety. I need a seatbelt. I need light for the viewers. Yeah, well, first I need to put on the ceiling. Oh, no, I meant seat belt. Seating belt. Yeah, here's the puppy. Hi, Jet. He's going on the storm adventure with us. And Snickers, he's back there. Stop! It says stop! Stop! Here, let's look at this beautiful house. Here, you can turn the lights off. But look how cool. I mean, they're starting to decorate for Christmas because that is next month, I guess. Be careful because there are deer. And they like run in front of you anytime. Not expected, and because we're going away from the storm, and home is like how many minutes away? Like 5 minutes away. So. I guess I'll try to find what records best. I'm trying. Oh, this window. Way back there, and then we're all way over here. So I think we should end it here.
Skunk. Uh-oh.
Skunk! Skunk! Hurry it! No. What? Dad, I think he ran over. Okay. Good, he did. All right. The skunk apparently. What is that? How many skunks are around here? Holy crap! Next up, it's gonna be like group of 10 deer over here. Right, Grandpa, the deer like always hangs out by our house. Like, I don't know, but is there something that deer like at our house?
I don't know. They just used to go in there. Other people that used to live there would feed them.
Well,
maybe the guy that lives there now feeds them a little bit. I don't know.
Sure. There is Dad following us. So I guess right here we can see some more here. Oh, okay. Oh wait, one. There we go. Come on, lightning! Oh, I caught that. Yeah, that was a big one. That was a big one. What? Turn the AC on. This is on AC. I am hot. All right, there. AC. Did one of you fart again? Jet. Snickers. Jet. Oh my gosh. Why is your AC so loud?
It's gone high. Down a little bit there.
922. That's where we live. 428 982. Kidding. I don't know. I'm just kidding. Hello. Hello, big building. Maybe we can see, what's it called? Lightning.
I'll just sit down here by the tent for a minute.
Oh, excuse me! Holy crap! You need to open the door. Oh, okay. Hey, what the crazy is it, by the way? It feels good out. Can we see lightning? Is this thing covering the 79? It feels cooler than 79. It feels cooler than that. Are you sure it's 79 out here?
Yeah, they'll turn off eventually.
Oh, I might stop the video here. Because there's nothing else going on. Let me end the video with the sky. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye.